Good morning, folks. This is going to be a very short one. First, cardboard helpings. Check out these channel. Okay, Palmetto Prepared did a really good job this morning on ginger, and check them out. Ginger is very important, and you should see Anthony's video about this. Okay, and check all these people out right here. Other thing is, these around the 4th of July, I will not be in these places. Okay, we're going to talk about something simple. Now right here, okay, I got this at the farmer's market about 3 months ago. My friend runs a farm. He asked me, can I grow soybeans at home? I said, that's a waste of time and you're not going to make money. And he asked me why. Because there's a lot of problems with growing soybeans at home and it'll affect your soil. So what I told him is grow these. And then he looks at me like, why do I need to grow those? I said, do you want to make money? And he said, yeah. And you want to grow something that's got more protein than anything you can ever imagine. And he's kind of puzzled. He went to Harvard. And he's kind of looking at me. And I showed him one of these. This is homegrown organic from a dryer. I got them the good dryers. I got them Excalibur professional ones. And he finally learned he's making good profit off of it. So a pound of this organic stuff, if you see the little tag, I hope you can't see it in my eyes. That's about $8.98 a pound of dried shiitake mushrooms. Usually it fills the whole bag up here because dried mushrooms are hardly weightless. Now let me read you from a book. Growing shiitake mushrooms. Easy to grow. It has to be in a humid, dark, cool cavern. It is one of the best sources of protein you could grow at home that is safe. It contains more digestible nutrition, pound for pound, than meat, milk, eggs, and cheese, or soybeans for survival. Shiitake is with a cracked, fleshy top, deep brown in the center, lightly misted with white flakes on the edges, is difficult to confuse with other oak-dwelling mushrooms. In the 60s, many consumers were more concerned about the health, and at the same time, medical research, shiitake's phenomenal benefits became showing up. These benefits are well documented. See Google. Shiitake contains high potency mixture of amino acids and strong immunity boosting interleukin compounds. And the rest is all medical and goes down. And let's see. One shiitake mushroom, hydrated, cooked in butter, reduces serum cholesterol system. It is constantly eaten in Japan to prevent heart disease. Okay? It improves stomach problems. And easy to grow, and then they give you an address from Tennessee on how to grow these mushrooms. Basically, it's fairly easy, and they show you all the things from this company out at Tennessee, how to grow mushrooms. You drill a hole in a professionally treated log, you put in the spores, and you add, keep it, and let it grow, and keep the growing room, which is dark, humid, and cool, and you got mushrooms. And you pick the mushrooms. I helped my friend. That's why I got this one for free. And we dry them and we store them away. And he sells them at $8.98 a pound. Okay? And he's making more money than 4 years of college education. Why? Because it's a big demand. And these don't rot. Well, they rot if they're fresh, but excuse me. Clown's voice still a little bit weird. So I'll let you think about that. I'm doing these short 5 minutes. One, because nobody watches my videos. I wish more people will watch it because I have a lot of things to say. It's common sense. It's easy. It's practical. Yet other people like, I want to try it out. I want to do my own research. Yeah, I get tired. Seriously. I have to repeat the things over and over again, and nobody listens. Catch you later, folks.